Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen on your Philips TV. So, the main thing that you wanna do is pull the TV's power plug from the power socket. Then, disconnect all the external devices from the TV. Wait at least 2 minutes, then reconnect the power plug again, leaving the external devices disconnected. Keep in mind, this is very important. Now, switch on the TV from your standby pressing the power button of the remote control. Reconnect the external devices if needed, and then, if the TV is correctly working, and believe me, it will, consider updating the software. Anything else to do? Simple as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.